Malware is constantly evolving. New attacks happen every day, and your security defenses need to keep up. That's why Cisco Advanced Malware Protection for Endpoints is always on the front lines, fueled by the most up-to-date threat information and behavioral indications of compromise in the industry, so that you're protected against the newest and most sophisticated attacks out there today. Using AMP's cloud-based design, we can instantly push the newest threat information to the console so that you're protected 24/7. One source of threat intelligence comes from the great work being done by our Talos Security Intelligence and Research Group. This group of threat hunters are on the front lines, finding things that no one else has seen before, and dynamically pushing that information to AMP for Endpoints. For instance, DNS Changer, a DNS Trojan that intercepts, modifies, and inspects network traffic. Jack POS, a point-of-sale malware that poses as a Java update executable and hunts for credit card data. Madness Rat, a remote access Trojan that attempts to DDoS the system and often tries to disable the Windows firewall. SolarBot, a highly obfuscated malware variant that supports stealing user input from multiple channels. SpyEye, a Trojan designed to steal data from hosts. It's most widely known for targeting financial account information. Vertex Net Rat, another remote administrator Trojan that is often delivered by websites using Java drive-by downloads. Locky, a high-profile ransomware in the press. The usual infection vector is a malicious macro-laced Microsoft Office document received in an enticing email. We see a lot. In fact, more than 33% of files convicted by Talos did not exist in VirusTotal at the time of detection. What's also great about this is that these AMP cloud indicators are established from a correlation of connector events sent to the AMP cloud. These new indicators are automatically applied in the AMP cloud when Cisco Talos identifies new threats, and there's no need for customers to migrate or update their AMP for Endpoints deployment to benefit from this proactive protection. Another source of threat intelligence comes from our built-in sandboxing technology, ThreatGrid. In fact, earlier this year, we had 573 behavioral indicators. And of the unique files convicted by ThreatGrid, 64% did not exist in VirusTotal at the time of detection. And ThreatGrid is adding new behavioral indications of compromise all the time. We've recently seen an array of ransomware-specific indicators, like Hydra, Locky, and locked ransomware variants. We also use generic behavior indicators as much as specific ones that call out certain malware variants. For instance, if a yet-to-be-named malware deletes shadow copies and replaces the desktop wallpaper, it's these types of generic indicators where we can see zero-day events. We're finding new things all the time and pushing it to AMP for Endpoints to make sure that your organization is protected from the most advanced threats. To learn more about Cisco AMP for Endpoints, visit cisco.com/go/AMP endpoint.